Greetings to you all. Welcome to Rainbow of Verses, an anthology of contemporary creative writers. We have in our hand the newborn baby, Rainbow of Verses. 87 teachers contributing 260 poems. This is the second anthology of the budding creative writers. It all started in the year 2015 in the WhatsApp group of Crazy English Teachers, where teachers were given opportunity to share their views on different topics. We used to write poems daily and post it in the group. Now, the aerial route has landed in as creative writers. Now technology has improved a lot. So a background is given and in the background teachers write their verses. The lockdown period has helped us a lot in gathering as many friends as possible to pour down their emotions, thoughts, feelings into various topics, and it is utilized by the creative writers. This anthology is the feast to the mind and soul. I also hope this journey will continue. Hereby, I acknowledge my hearty thanks to Mr. Balamurali, CEO Sir of Erode District, Mrs. Krishna Priya, CEO of Kallakurchi District, and Mr. Jayaprakash Gandhi for giving their valuable forward for this book. Now let us see the members and their contribution. Our first contributor is Mr. Ramesh, graduate teacher. He is presently working in Kunnatur Ranipete district. He is a techno wizard. His contribution to TNTA is amazing as a technical team secretary. He received the Best Teacher Award from TNTA for his innovative practices in teaching in the year 2018 from Honorable Minister of Rural Industries. His poems are Nature for Future Generation and Dear July 1986. Both are really wonderful. Okay, moving on to Dr. P. Mahadevan. He is an assistant professor working in Krishnasamy College of Education for Women, Manapatte, Puducherry. He is a PG assistant, English and principal of Matriculation School. He has put in more than 25 years of teaching in higher secondary schools and colleges. He has acted as state level and district level resource person in English and trained teachers in teaching English. He has presented papers in many national and international conferences. His poems are When My Thoughts Are Active and My Father. Very touching poems. Next, if we see Dr. A. Arogya Mary, graduate teacher, SS Government Aided Middle School, Tiruvarur. She has been working as graduate teacher in SS Government Aided Middle School since 2004. She is a state level and district level resource person for 20 years of English language teaching. She has written and published 7 spoken English and grammar series books. He has presented paper titled On Generation of Second Language and many more things about her. Her poems are The Odd One Out and Self-Esteem versus Ego. Next, if you see Dr. R. Saravanan, lecturer, Diet Ranipet. He has been working as a lecturer in Diet Ranipet. He is a poet, short story writer, novelist, dramatist, essayist, composer of songs, orator, aesthetic thinker, and an innovator in education. He is deeply interested in modern Tamil literature too. Dr. Saravanan has written more than 2,000 of poems in Tamil. He is simple in look and rich in thoughts. He is holding excellent academic records. He was the topper in TRB exam conducted in 2014. He has written innovative articles in education and sociology. He runs an educational trust which is beneficial to thousands of rural students. His poems are A New Beginning and A Little Hope. Next, if we see Vijay Shanti R. She was brought up in Kumbakonam, Tanjavur district. She has 15 years of teaching experience. At present, she is working as a graduate teacher in Panchayat Union Middle School, Vembedu. She has acquired MA B.Ed English Literature. Her pastime is reading books and scribbling poems and writing reviews for books. She has done a book review on Cascade of Poetry, our own previous anthology. Her poems are Salute to the Soldiers and Life After Death. Next, if we see Sithara Banu, a graduate teacher working in Municipal High School, C.N. Palayam, Namakkal. Her native is Theni. She was brought up in the lap of nature. Among the valleys and rivers, she flourished herself and started her career as an English teacher. She has passion for writing short stories, but she started writing poems. She is one among the creative writers group, a sprouting group. Her poems are I Wake Up with Hope, 14-lined poem. And the next one is Rainbow of Verses, haiku. Next we are going to see Mr. S.K. Kumaran, MA English, MA Economics, MSc Physics, B.Ed. CELT works as a teacher in English at Post School in Vellore district. He is a rationalist, philanthropist and linguist. He has been working as a teacher since his 20 years of age. He has won the Sir Migu Asiriyar Award, Good Grammarian Prize for the most important award from his students. That is my favorite English teacher for many years. At present, he is one of the directors of District Government Employees Cooperative Society. He likes traveling, tasting variety of cuisines and watching thriller movies. He has good academic records and sports records from his childhood days. Now, the creative writers team is excavating his poetic skills and turning him to be a good poet. His poems are My Reflection Came to Meet Me and Dear Indian Soldiers. Next, if we see Mrs. S. Sumati, she's a graduate teacher working in KGS Higher Secondary School, Aduthurai in Tanjore district. She has worked in a matriculation school for 8 years and has been working in government aided school since 2012. She is a nature and language lover. Her hobbies are singing, gardening and housekeeping. Her poems are Corona Speaking and Morning is Good. Moving on to Mr. S.P. Gandhi, an ordinary man with rational thoughts. He owns MA, B.Ed, MPhil in English. He commenced his career as an assistant professor of English at Adityanar College of Arts and Science in Trichandur. Later, he worked as a sub-inspector of police in Central Police Organization. At present, he has been working as an English language teacher at Government Higher Secondary School, Viluppuram. His ambition is to become an officer in uniformed service, but his interest in teaching and love for English made him quit his dream job and acquire his passionate teaching career. Although he is an English language teacher, Tamil is his spirit. His poems are Lose to Win and Kingship. Next, Mrs. Rupa Devi S. She is a good motivator and innovative person. She likes to read stories, fiction books and fairy tales. She has good positive vibes. She loves nature. She has interest to learn new things. She is always an active person like a honeybee. Her poems are When I Question Myself and Tsunami. Next, we are going to see Mrs. Kalyani Ravikumar, graduate teacher, DS High School, Chengalpet. She is working in an aided school near Chengalpet. Reading books and writing poems are her hobby. Her poems are Freedom is Not All About and Wake Up with a Hope. Shall we see Mrs. S. Hemasudha? She is a headmistress working in Panchayat Union Middle School, Muthukrishnapuram in Annagramam Block, Kadalur district. And her poems are Coffee in the Morning and Friendship. Next, Mrs. M. Sujata, graduate teacher English, working in Government Higher Secondary School, Karaikudi. She has more than 10 years of experience in Government Higher Secondary School. She is so passionate in teaching. Her passion turned into her profession, which in turn forces her knowledge to sharpen by writing poems, short stories, and so on. Other than that, she is interested in reading books for her students. She is very helpful to all. She believes nature is a good teacher. Her poems are Friendship and Your Promises to Me. Next, Mrs. S. R. Kalpana, graduate teacher working in Panchayat Union Middle School, Annagramam Block, Kadalur. She is a lover of nature and has a great passion for teaching. She is an athlete, fond of sports. Her poems are My Father and Our Wish and Freedom. Moving on to Mrs. R. Saraswati, graduate teacher working in Panchayat Union Middle School. She is a teacher for 15 years. She is a well knowledgeable person. She is gifted with a smiling face. She is good and talented in technology. She keeps up her time. All students are affectionate towards her. She has a helping tendency. Her poems are Morning is Good and Wake Up with Hope. Next, Mr. G. Anand, graduate teacher in English, working in Government Higher Secondary School, Viluppuram. He hails from a very poor family. He is the eldest one of the family of 5. He has very much interest in drawing, writing, oration, and folk dance. His audience are his students. His writings are easy and comprehensible. He reads it, enjoys it, feels it, and others enjoys it. His poems are so moving, so touching, deep into the heart. Poems are my childhood days and my dad. Next poet is Mrs. P.S. Priyadarshini, postgraduate assistant in English, working in Government Higher Secondary School, Kamalapuram, Dharmapuri district. With an experience of 5 years, academically she is a studious and meritorious student in her school and college. She has great passion for teaching. She has been producing 100% result every year. She is an ardent lover of literature, music and nature with an inborn interest in creative poetry. She has started writing poems in the recent days. Her poems are Dreams and A Little Rat, a Reminiscence. Moving on to Mrs. J. Edil, graduate teacher, currently working in Sri Saraswati Padasala, Government Higher Secondary School, Kumbakonam. She has more than 15 years of experience of teaching in matriculation and CBSE schools. She has a passion for reading and writing. Her poems are My Bosom Buddy Death and The Guardian Angels. Moving on to Mrs. S. Yamini Priya, graduate teacher, Panchayat Union Middle School, Salur Block, Coimbatore. She loves teaching. She is a very good motivator, planner, and high-spirited teacher. She is ambitious to reach zenith. Her poems are Morning is Good, When, Then Friendship. Next, Mrs. Nirmala Nagarajan, graduate teacher working in Panchayat Union Middle School, E Road. Her hometown is in Salem. She lives in Gobi Chettipalayam. She has around 22 years of teaching experience. She has worked in various schools and colleges. She has participated and presented papers in several workshops and conferences. She has won Best Paper Award. She did her research in ELT. She loves to read books. She values humanity than money. She is an emerging poet. Her poems are Promise Me That and Freedom Isn't About. Our next poet is Mrs. A. Sushila, graduate teacher, Panchayat Union Middle School, Coimbatore. Mrs. A. Sushila loves to play with children and to enjoy listening music. She has respect towards elders. Reading is her pastime. She is very eager to create something new. Her poems are I Wake Up with Hope and Freedom Isn't About.